Tackle yard cleanup with power, efficiency, and reliability designed for homeowners and professionals alike. Best 4-stroke leaf blower delivers quiet operation, low emissions, and consistent performance for effortless outdoor maintenance all season long, without mixing fuel or hassle ever. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. LpqOxnm 2.6 kilowatt leaf blower. The LpqOxnm 2.6 kilowatt leaf blower is built for users who want strong performance paired with durability and comfort. Constructed mainly from high-quality PP material, it offers excellent strength, heat resistance, and insulation, making it suitable for demanding outdoor work. Its powerful 2600W 4-stroke motor running at 7,000 RPM delivers a high air volume that easily clears leaves, sand, gravel, and even light snow, helping you finish tasks faster. Starting the machine is simple thanks to the large rope pulley design that reduces resistance, while the cruise control lever allows one-handed operation with smooth speed adjustment. Safety is enhanced through efficient air cooling, multiple ventilation holes, and shock-absorbing springs that support stable operation. The backpack-style design, combined with thick, breathable straps and a padded backrest, ensures long working sessions remain comfortable without excessive heat or fatigue, making it a practical choice for large yards and extended cleanup jobs.
Number 2. Relxxon 205 MPH Leaf Blower. The Relxxon 205 MPH Leaf Blower is designed for homeowners and professionals who want serious power without unnecessary complexity. Its robust 75.6 cc 4-stroke engine produces an impressive 205 mph airspeed and 750 CFM airflow, allowing it to blast through wet, matted leaves and stubborn debris in minimal time. One of its biggest advantages is the clean 4-stroke design, which eliminates the hassle of mixing oil and gas. Just add unleaded fuel and start working. Built with a rugged chassis and commercial-grade components, this blower is made to handle intensive, repeated use season after season. Comfort is a major focus, with an ergonomic harness featuring padded, adjustable straps and an advanced vibration reduction system that reduces strain during long jobs. Overall, the Relxxon offers a balanced combination of raw power, durability, and user comfort, making it ideal for large properties and demanding cleanup tasks. Number 3. EISHCGSY 75.6 cc Leaf Blower. The EISHCGSY 75.6 cc leaf blower delivers dependable, high-efficiency performance for heavy-duty yard maintenance. Powered by a 2600W 4-stroke engine with a 7,000 RPM operating speed, it produces strong airflow capable of clearing leaves, sand, gravel, and light snow with ease. The flat air vent design improves directional control, helping you work more efficiently across large areas. Starting is made easier with a large rope pulley that reduces pull resistance, while the cruise control lever allows consistent speed control using one hand. Safety features such as air cooling, multiple heat dissipation holes, and shock absorption springs help maintain stable and secure operation during extended use. Designed as a backpack blower, it includes thick, breathable shoulder straps and a padded backrest that helps isolate engine heat from your body. This thoughtful design allows for longer work sessions with reduced fatigue, making it suitable for residential and commercial use.
Number 4. Explorinox 750 CFM Leaf Blower. The Explorinox 750 CFM leaf blower stands out as a powerful and efficient commercial-grade option for serious outdoor cleanup. Equipped with a 75.6 cc 4-stroke engine producing up to 5 HP, it delivers impressive airflow and high airspeed while reducing fuel consumption compared to traditional 2-stroke models. This makes it both cost-effective and more environmentally friendly. The variable speed throttle with cruise control allows precise adjustment, letting you switch easily between light clearing and heavy debris removal.
Built with a durable frame and soft grip handle, the blower is designed for stability and long-term use. Comfort is further enhanced by adjustable padded straps and an ergonomic harness system that evenly distributes weight across your back and shoulders. This reduces fatigue during long hours of operation. Overall, the Explorinox combines strong performance, fuel efficiency, and user-focused design, making it a reliable choice for large properties and professional landscaping tasks.
Number 5. Solenvar 210 MPH Leaf Blower. The Solenvar 210 MPH Leaf Blower is a high-performance backpack blower built for demanding residential and commercial applications. With up to 900 CFM airflow and a powerful 210 mph air velocity, it easily handles wet leaves, heavy grass clippings, yard debris, and even light snow. Its advanced 75.6 cc 4-stroke engine delivers consistent power without the inconvenience of fuel mixing, while also reducing vibration, emissions, and fuel consumption. Designed for comfort, the adjustable padded backpack harness evenly distributes weight, allowing extended use with less strain. The cruise control handle further improves ease of operation during large cleanup jobs. Despite its strong output, the blower maintains a balanced and maneuverable design, making it easy to move around driveways, gardens, and landscaped areas. Its multi-season versatility makes it useful year-round, from fall leaf clearing to winter snow removal, positioning it as a reliable all-season outdoor power tool.
Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you choose the right tool for your yard care needs. A dependable 4-stroke blower saves time, reduces effort, and keeps your outdoor spaces clean. Subscribe for more honest reviews and practical equipment recommendations.